I'm doing a quick review on MacBook Pro, and this is my first ever Mac laptop. I've always used HP laptops, but recently my sons and daughter have been using Mac for a few years now, and they've been loving it. And the time that they've used to replace their laptop, I would have bought the HP probably twice the period of time. So Mac definitely lasts longer, it's more durable than the HP. So I decided to invest and get one of this. This is the MacBook Pro 2020. It was released last year, and when I was doing my review, I found out that the main new feature in this new one is the keypad. The keypad has been improved. So what's in the box? You can see how nicely it's packed. I got the gray color, and it comes in 13-inch. Very nice and portable. I'll consider getting the Mac Air, but from the research we did, we found out that because I do a lot of videos, the Mac Pro is quite useful for the creative side of things, and that's why I added a little bit more to get myself the Mac Pro. So the gray color is what I got. That's in the box, so I put that aside. And you have the cable, the charging cable, and also the plugs in the box. So that's all you get in the box. At the back of the box, there's a little information on what the laptop is about. I got the small one, which is the 8 GB memory with 256 GB SSD in storage. It's a 13-inch Mac Pro, and it has the new technology. It has 2 Thunderbolts, USB 4 points, headphone jack, stereo speakers, touch bar and touch ID, full-size backlit Magic keyboards. That's the improvement from the previous versions. The keyboard is now quite good from the information I gathered from other people that have reviewed this laptop. It has a Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. Apparently, my daughter says you can receive your FaceTime calls on it. It has a FaceTime HD camera. It has pre-installed Mac OS, and the size and weight is quite light as well, so you can move this around. It's quite portable. And if you want to have the bigger size, also you can get the bigger size in 16-inch, which is quite a lot of money, but I chose to get this because I'm mobile most times between home office and work, so I believe this one will be a better option. So let's see. Very light, very thin, though expensive. I think we got this £1,200 plus, and it took about 5 to 7 working days to come. It has a little bit of cover just to keep the screen clean, and this is what we got. The new keyboard, like I said, is easy to use, and on top of this you have the touch bar. The touch bar is where you can receive your calls, and also you have a few things there. I don't really use much of that, but it's quite useful for receiving FaceTime calls. Wow, it's lovely. Okay, so to set it up, English. So I'm going to click on English UK because I'm based in UK.
Main language, press the return key.
Wow, press return key. So I'm setting it up now, following the instructions, and it's asking where I am. So I'm going to go to United Kingdom, continue, and accessibility feature adapts to Mac. So it's just basically following the instructions to have your laptop set up. The like the HP that I'm used to, it has a lot of ports, but this one has just the two. And because I normally use, you know, attachments for other uses, I bought myself the cable extension plugs. This, I'm told, also you can sync in your iPhone to come straight into with your laptop, so that pictures and information that you receive on your phone can directly come onto your laptop. That's, I think, is quite useful as well, because a lot of the time, like the recording I'm doing now on my iPhone 12, I can pick it up here instead of just, you know, uploading and moving about computers. So this, I think, is a very good one, and I would recommend it, not because I've used it, but because members of my family, like I said, have been using it for years, and I see how durable these machines are. Quite much better. You buy one for over £1,000, and the period of maybe 5, 6 years, 7 years that you use it, you would have bought yourself the cheap versions of the HPs and other ones out there, maybe about 3 or 2 before this one goes out of version. So I hope you like the new Mac, and like I said, they are quite expensive, but they are a useful tool for your editing of videos and portable movements from office to work or from home to office. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the little I've been able to say about the Mac Pro 13-inch laptop. Bye bye.